So what is a contingency fee? If you've come in and met with us and you've gone over a contract, then we have discussed a fee for legal services that is based on a percentage of success. It is a fee that is contingent on or dependent on success, and that fee is stated in the form of a percentage. So, as you also notice from our contract, if, say, in the worst case scenario, we find that there's just no insurance, no money, no anything that could ever be collected in your case. It's very rare, but sometimes we have situations where there's somebody with no insurance who hits somebody else with no insurance, and they have no money or assets that we could ever collect on or connect to. In that rare situation, any percentage of zero is zero. And our contract will also talk about how any expenses that we pay, those can only be collected or reimbursed from success. So if it's a rare situation where there's just no money to be able to be gathered to compensate you for your injuries and to cover your medical bills, well, no matter how much time we've spent, no matter how much money we've spent, there would be nothing from which we could gather a fee or reimbursement of expenses. The contingency fee is based on the total settlement. It's not based on settlement after medical is paid. It's calculated based on the entire settlement figure. So if you think of your total settlement that's offered as a whole pie, the fee portion would be a percentage of that pie, not a percentage of the pie after everybody else has been reimbursed or paid their pieces. It comes off of the whole. The percentage is, I believe, a lot lower than what a lot of other firms have in the region. And the reason why I designed my firm's fees in that way is because, one, of my passion for this type of work and knowing that that will allow me to best serve my client by freeing up as much money for you and for medical bills as possible. And two, because I love what I do, I want to protect this field that I am working in. And I have seen other firms in Austin and other regions that have just been progressively raising their rates to what I think are ridiculous levels. And so in order to kind of counteract that or address that, I have parked myself somewhere lower, somewhere where I feel that we are getting a very, very good, strong compensation rate, but not one that I think is going to be detrimental to your case or detrimental to our field and the credibility of the type of law that we do that genuinely has a potential to transform lives, improve lives, and help people in ways that potentially no other field of law can even touch.